We only know that oxygen exists in the air and is important to life. But little did we know that hydrogen is much more important to life than oxygen. During the Big Bang, hydrogen was the richest element in the entire universe. After a long period of evolution, today's environment on Earth consists of water, air, soil, animals, planets, and microorganisms. Hydrogen is the purest and the most common chemical element on Earth. It takes up 63% of the elements existing in the human body, and it's also the human body's most important and purest source of energy. Because it turns into water after combustion, hydrogen is hailed as an eco-savior and offers new possibilities for human health. Hydrogen widely exists in nature, and water is a means of storage for it. When hydrogen and oxygen are combined, it nourishes the lives of a large amount of living species. So we commonly say that water is the source of life, and that it is composed of H2O. In terms of percentage, water is 11% hydrogen, so the importance to life can be seen. Hydrogen ions exist everywhere around us. For example, they can be found in running water and in most fresh fruits and vegetables. They can even be found in the cells of each of our body's systems, especially in the liver, intestines, kidney, heart, and lungs.
Nobel Prize-winning biochemist once commented that hydrogen, not oxygen, is the fuel of life. In Japan, these intriguing healing water studies fueled a research boom focusing on hydrogen. Today, the country leads the world in the studies on hydrogenated water. One of the key researchers involved is Dr. Katsuhisa Sakano.
Excessive free radicals in the body oxidize DNA and proteins, leading to a domino effect that can trigger aging and disease. Stopping the oxidation process at an early stage is crucial for maintaining health.
咩叫自由基呢？自由基嘅產生呢，就係當我哋咧燃燒用氧氣嚟燃燒啲葡萄糖嘅時候咧，產生能量嘅時候一種副產品。呢個自由基咧好特別，就佢少咗一粒電子，佢會攻擊我哋細胞裏邊嘅分子嚟到搶嗰啲電子。嗱，如果譬如啱啱呢個自由基出世咧，係喺我哋個肝個裏邊嘅時間咧，佢係猛攻擊我哋肝細胞嗰啲分子，咁我哋肝咪越嚟越弊咯，整下咪肝硬化，整下個肝會變，甚至變癌添㗎。如果佢喺我哋腦嗰度，佢係攻擊我哋腦嗰啲細胞啦；心臟佢攻擊我哋心臟嘅細胞，如此類推咧，佢就會影響我哋各個器官嘅。我哋而家嗰啲細胞，如果俾呢啲自由基氧化咗咧，我哋嗰啲細胞會衰老噶啦，即係好似一架車變咗生鏽咁啦。咁呢個負氫離子咧就有2粒電子。咁若果譬如我哋呢個嘅水帶有呢個負氫離子嘅水，我哋飲用咗喺身體度嘅時間咧，呢粒電子咧就可以走出嚟。啱啱啲自由基咧就係最中意電子，所以佢一見到嗰個自由基見到佢咧就好似哇男仔見到個靚女咁樣，嘟咁就攞咗呢粒電子啦。嗱，負氫離子咧，佢根本就多咗一粒電子，呢個電子可以提供俾我哋嗰啲自由基嚟到避免我哋自由基氧化我哋嗰啲細胞。當一個人咧，若果係預防咗嗰個衰老程序咧，我哋實在可以咧活得年輕一啲嘅，青春一啲嘅。
我喜歡自由嘅生活態度。
哇！快啲食啊！我等咗好耐啦。隨我心意，想做乜就做乜。任何時候都要充滿活力。
就算喺夜晚，我都處於最佳狀態。
佢哋可以自由自在、充滿活力咁生活，全因康迪活力水素。康迪活力水素擁有多重安全過濾，其中一支更係世界獨有嘅濾芯，為水素加入抗氧化物質負氫離子。只要每日飲用，有助排走身體毒素、自由基，達到抗衰老、保持健康。
以後喺街食咩都得啦，幾大運動量都唔係問題啦。
開幾夜 OT 都唔怕。
水素帶俾我自由又健康嘅輕盈生活。